Hey guys, it's me Janman. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, you're gonna see a get ready with me for Christmas. Last year I did the similar video for Diwali, but this year for Diwali I didn't do anything. Not even for Diwali, I didn't do anything for my birthday itself. So that is why I decided to do this video and get ready. Let's do something for Christmas. So here it is. So it's not a makeup tutorial or anything. It's just a get ready with me. Guys, I really worked hard for this video. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe for my channel so that we can reach 1000 subscribers really soon. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this video I'll try my level best to keep this video short. And then without any further ado, I think so we should just get started with this video. So guys, what I'm gonna do is a hair mask. I'm gonna do a hair mask for my hair and a body scrub. Then we are gonna do my skincare and makeup, and then last the outfit. So guys, here I'm putting 2 tablespoons of curd, and I'm also adding aloe vera gel. I really like adding aloe vera gel. If you want, you can skip this, but I really like it since it makes my hair really smooth. And also guys, you can also add honey if you want, and also lemon. If you have a dandruff problem, lemon is really good. Go ahead and add that, and then apply this all over your scalp and also your hair length. This mask is really good guys. I genuinely like this mask, so just give it a try. Then I'm gonna tie my hair in a bun. So guys, now let's make a body scrub. For this you need 2 tablespoons of coffee and also add sugar. I suggest grinding the sugar if you add it, but this is how it works for me. And now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also add more if you have dry skin. And now mix it really well. You can apply this all over your body and legs or neck. You can also add it to your neck, but I don't suggest you applying this on your face. So now let's start with my skincare. So guys, I have already moisturized my face. So since it's winters and my skin type is really dry, so I have to put extra moisturization. So for that I'm using this Good Vibes facial oil. I really like this. It's a almond variated. It smells so good, you guys. I can't tell you. It smells so good. Like a heaven. It smells like heaven. It smells. And I'm gonna rub this all over my face. So I have applied my oil and I'll allow it to penetrate in my skin. Now I'm going to use this lip balm. So guys, yesterday I was searching through Pinterest and I saw this beautiful candy can eyeliner look. So today I'm going to do that. Like I'm going to try to attempt. So I hope it comes good. So first thing I'm using is my concealer. First, let me take my mirror because I don't want to use camera has my mirror. So I have my mirror and a look because I'm not good at doing makeup. So first I'm going to do my eyeliner and then I'm going to do my base because I'm going to use my concealer on my eyelid to prime it. I'm going to use very little of it because it is like very dark, like very little. I'm going to use this beauty blender. So next thing is this eyeshadow palette. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. So guys, I'm not going to show you like in detail what I'm using because it's not a makeup tutorial and I'm not good at it anyways, so I'm not going to do that. But I'll link everything in the description box what I have used. So yeah, now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette and this white shade to prime my lids. So now you can see, right? So I have primed the lids. So in this eye makeup look, nothing to do with eyeshadows, but only to give my eyes a little definition, I'm going to use this shadow in my crease. See, I have blended really well so that it can't even see. So now I'm going to do my liner back camera because I wanted to do a wing liner and I can't do it with a small mirror. I'll go and do it in a big mirror and I'll try my level best to do a good winged eyeliner. So guys, I have come up close and I have did my liner. It's a white liner. I didn't do the similar job, but I did an okay job, I think so. So don't worry, I will link it in the description box what product I used, and don't take it seriously guys, it's not a makeup tutorial anyway, so to show you the product. And I think so I did an okay job. Now what I have to do is take a red color liner and do stripes which will make a candy look. So since I don't have a red liner, what I'm gonna do is use this red lipstick as my liner using this pencil brush. You can see the tip of it I'm gonna use and make a stripes of this red lipstick, and I hope it comes good. So guys, I have put that in my hands. I'm gonna try to do that. So I have come little up close so that you can see what I'm trying to do. So guys, the pencil brush didn't work, so I'm using this my old eyeliner वाला brush होता है ना, उससे मैं try करने वाली हूँ. Let's see if it's work or not. It's coming guys, I think so, it's coming soon. Oh my god. I think so, it's okay. Guys, this eye is done. I think so, it's okay-ish, not that bad, but let's see. Guys, now it's done and I think so it's okay, it's not that bad. Now I'm gonna outline this liner with my Insta liner, I think so. So let's do that things first. So guys, I think so you can see that. So the eye makeup look is done. That's it guys, very simple it is. So I don't want to go overboard with it. So my eyeliner look is done. So now let's move on to the face. First thing is I'm going to use a concealer under my eyes. Now it's done. I have come a little bit close to my camera. So I'm going to use my foundation. So guys, the blending is done. Now I'm gonna set this set with my loose powder. I'm using this powder. I'm gonna blend it. Next thing is I'm gonna use a lipstick. So I'm not using a red lipstick because Christmas mostly we have most people use red lipstick, but I'm using this nude lipstick. I really like this shade, so I'm using it. This lipstick, the shade something this color lipstick. It's from L18. The shade, I'll swatch it for you guys. Like, okay, so this is what it looks like. I really like this. This really looks good on my skin. So I'm gonna put this. So this color looks good on me, so I'm using this. So I'm gonna use this same lipstick as my blush. I'm gonna swatch this a very little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna use Beauty Blender and apply it on my cheeks. I have a blush, but I think so this looks more natural on my face. guys, next I'm going to use this eyeshadow का जो palette है, that I'm going to use in my inner corners. Very little, not a lot. Okay guys, so it's done. I'm going to curl my lashes.
Okay.
Guys, now the makeup look is done. Now for my hair, I'm gonna keep it as it is. I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna keep it like this. So now let us see the outfit.